Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term ASN, Advanced Shipping Notice, used in logistics. Advanced Shipping Notice is a document that provides detailed information about a pending delivery. The purpose of ASN is to notify the customer when shipping occurs and provide physical characteristic about the shipment so the customer can be prepared to accept the delivery. As ASN, which is usually sent over internet in an electronic data information or extensible markup language format, provides information about when an order will be shipped, which items are being shipped, how many of each item is being shipped, and their physical characteristic about the shipment, such as shipment's weight, the number of boxes, and a description of how shipment units are being packaged. And ASN also tells the customer which mode of transportation is being used for shipping and provides carrier information. In today's environment, this message is more of a as shipped notice sent after the departure of the shipment. Benefits of ASN could as many, not only for just for supplier but for buyers and the end consumers also. Order visibility is one thing. The ASN is a multi-purpose document. When the order is sent to your warehouse or distribution center or a store, it provides the recipient with an estimated shipment arrival time, communicates details of online order. ASN is particularly helpful for retail and distribution clients that use e-commerce order management, especially drop shipping. The shipping and tracking information for packages is sent with an ASN to the retailer. The retailer then shares the data with the consumer to check the delivery status of their package. Also, ASN confirms the final order. Though at a first glance the ASN may seem like it is just a shipment confirmation document, it is more than that. It is also the final confirmation that the order has been fulfilled. With this information, buyers can easily adjust their open to buy budget confidently, and they can update inventory system to accurately reflect incoming inventory. Thanks for watching. Bye.